In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a respondent's name in Microsoft Forms. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or just wanting to know who's been filling out your forms, being able to identify your respondents is crucial. So, let's get started with a step-by-step guide that will help you seamlessly add a name field to your form. First, let's open a browser. Whichever one you prefer, be it Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, will do just fine. Once you're in your browser, type Microsoft Forms into the search bar and hit Enter. This should take you directly to the Microsoft Forms page, where you can begin the next steps. When you reach the Microsoft Forms homepage, you'll see a prompt to sign in. Go ahead and enter your credentials here. If you're already signed in due to using other Microsoft services, the page may recognize your account and log you in automatically. Being logged in allows you to create, edit, and manage your forms efficiently. After you've logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all your forms listed. If you're starting a new form from scratch, feel free to do so, but today we're going to focus on adding to an existing form. Pick any of your existing forms that you'd like to edit by simply clicking on it. This will open up the form in an editable mode, giving you several options to tailor it to your needs. The next step is to add a new question to the form. This is done by navigating to where your questions are and hitting the Add New button. This will open a list of question types that you can choose from. For our purpose of collecting respondent names, we'll be selecting the text question type. This type allows respondents to type in a short text response, which is perfect for names. Once you've selected the text option, you'll be prompted to type in your question. Here, it's best to be clear and direct. You could go with something simple like, "Please enter your name," or "What is your name?" Either of these will work just fine, making it easy and intuitive for anyone filling out your form. Now, to make sure that every respondent provides their name, it's essential to toggle on the required option for this question. By doing so, anyone answering your form will be unable to submit it without filling in their name first. This ensures that your data collection is complete and that you have names for all responses, which can be very useful for analysis and record keeping. And that's it. You've successfully added a respondent name field to your Microsoft Forms. This simple yet important addition can greatly enhance the quality of the responses you collect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel confident in implementing this feature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.